welcome back to our channel. Today I have the last of the WIGO collection unit to review for you guys. Well, actually this is the last one period. Well, I think for the week. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get any more next week, but so far this is the last one. She's another natural plucked lace front wig, and she is called Lace Haley. I have her in the color 1B, and guys, I am loving her. She's giving me so much life right now. I'll tell you guys what I would have done different with this unit, but before I get into this, let me show you the stock card. Like I said, she's called Haley. I have her in the color 1B. You guys know these units comes in OP teal green, OP fuchsia. This one only comes in OP teal green and OP fuchsia. Well, when I say that, I mean in terms of like the bright colors. It has 99J as well and 1B30, but apart from that, it's just 1 and 1B. This is it right here. And guys, yes, these wigs are buy one get one free, so go purchase it if you want to. And I did review these units. Actually, this is OP turquoise back here. So what's going on? So is it OP turquoise? Because the front of it says only OP teal green. Child, I don't know, but we'll figure it out, okay? But I will leave it linked in the description box down below, just in case you're wondering. I'll leave the hair linked as well, just in case you want to go purchase it. It will be linked down below as well, so you can check that out. But anyway, guys, let's get into it. So like I always say, like I've been saying for the past 2 days, these wigs come with a natural plucked part. It's like a pre-tweeze part. The wigs came out when pre-tweeze was a thing, so there's no hair in the parting space. Is absolutely clear. But what I like about it is that it's very thin, so all you have to do is just add some powder to it and you're good. You don't look like Moses parting the Red Sea. It's not too wide, and I love that about it. For those of you who don't like baby hairs, this is perfect for you, because I think none of the wigs I think came with baby hairs, except for one. I think only one I saw came with baby hairs. All the rest of the wigs, and the baby hair that it came with, you know, could have been tucked into the rest of the wig. So the rest of the wigs do not come with any baby hairs whatsoever, so you're good. If you want to add baby hairs, you can definitely do so afterwards. And in terms of the cap construction, you get 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, the adjustable straps. You have an elastic band at the back for added security and comfort, and the rest of the cap is a stretchable mesh net material. Okay, so it's not that stretchy, but it does stretch a little bit, so you have that handy. But let's get into the style. Now look at this. She's so cute. Like I said, she's called Haley, and I finger combed it, and I trimmed a little bit up front, just a tiny bit, you know, to give me like a kind of a bang area here. This is a parting space right here. It's a right side part, and I think all the wigs that I reviewed were right side parts. So it's a right side part. What I don't like is the fact that the parting space kind of like slants up here. I wish it went this way, kind of like this, you know, like kind of here instead of up here. But regardless, it's still really pretty, and I'm here for it 100%. No, I did finger comb it entirely. I combed it out. I did receive some snags while I was doing that, so keep that in mind. Once I finger combed it, I can tell that the ends of the hair is a little bit on the drier side, so the luster kind of came out once you start finger combing it. So if you want to add the luster back into it, you can, you know, use some lightweight oil or some hair sheen or something like that. I don't mind it being like this. Like, I don't really care for the shiny look, so this is fine for me, except for when it actually starts to tangle, then I have a problem. But for now, this is fine for me. But yeah, this is it, you guys. Let me know how you feel about this one. I think this has to be maybe my favorite out of all of them. I don't know why. I thought it would have been my least favorite, and to be honest, this is the reason why I left it for last. But it actually turned out to be my favorite out of all of them, honestly. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know how you feel about this unit down below. Let me know which one was your favorite out of all the WIGO collection units that I reviewed this week. And if you want to purchase it, like I said, buy one get one free. The link will be in the description box down below, along with all the colors that it comes in. Yeah, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all the social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.